Hello, this is Jeremy with SkipperBud's here in Bay City. Today we have a 2004 Rinker 232 Captiva. Boat is in very good shape. It's got the white with the black striping. This is powered by a 5.0 liter Merc Cruiser. It's got the extended swim platform. Interior is in very, very good shape. No tears, no rips. Boat stereo system was upgraded a couple of years ago. Does come with a full cover. See the upgraded speakers. This is a very nice low-hour boat to get you on the water. Bow filler cushions, more upgraded speakers. This is a great, great value for a boat in such great condition. Call us here at Bay City SkipperBud's for more information.